Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are making pizza cutlet. So let's begin. So first, in a bowl, add 1/4 cup of pizza sauce. I'm using homemade pizza sauce. Into that, add half a capsicum, half an onion, and 2 tablespoons of sweet corn. Give it a mix and then add half a teaspoon of chili flakes and half a teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now add 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese and 1/4 cup of processed cheese. Again, give it a mix. And the filling for our cutlet is ready. Now, in another bowl, add 4 boiled and mashed potatoes. Into that, add 1/4 cup of corn flour or cornstarch, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, and salt to taste. Knead the potatoes until it forms a dough. This is done. Now grease your hand with some oil. Take little bit of the potato mixture and make a ball out of it and then flatten it using your palm. Then take little bit of the mixture secure the ends and again make a round ball and flatten it. And once you are done making all the cutlets, in another bowl, add 2 tablespoons of maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, salt as per taste, and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. And now, by adding little water at a time, make a slurry. It shouldn't be too thick or too thin. This is the consistency required. Now take your cutlets, a plate, the cornflour slurry and some breadcrumbs. Take your cutlet, dip it in the cornflour mixture, then in the breadcrumbs, and here they are ready to fry. Do the same with all the cutlets. Now let's fry them. My oil is already hot. You could fry or shallow fry them in medium or hot oil until golden and brown. My cutlet is nice golden and brown. Now I'll take it out on a plate lined with tissue and fry all of your cutlets. See, the cutlet is so cheesy. You would love the pizza filling inside. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy.